Hello everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful Thursday. I have made a short video tutorial to help you all navigate the VoiceThread. Those of you who have never used it before might find this useful. So just a brief recap for this week. You are using VoiceThread for the technology versus pedagogy debate assignment. As you know by now from my announcements that this is a collaborative project, and so all of you need to collaborate with your group members. The space for collaboration is provided in the group space area, wherein you will find the assigned groups. Within those groups, you will have the discussion forum within which you need to collaborate with your group members. Here you can brainstorm, discuss ideas, create the presentation, and finalize it. Once all of that is done and your presentation is finalized and ready to be uploaded to VoiceThread, you need to go back to course content, go to module 2 and to the do folder in module 2, and you will find the VoiceThread assignment. To access VoiceThread, you need to click on Technology versus Pedagogy Debate title, and this will take you to the VoiceThread page. Now I am using a student view, so you all should be able to see the same thing as I'm seeing right now. I'm going to get rid of this because this was a test run. So typically you will see the screen. You will have the option of creating a VoiceThread or adding your own. You need to click on create one if this is the first time you're posting, or you could add your own as well. So either one of those will work. I'm just going to use create one. Since you have designed your presentation in your computer, that is where you will access the presentation from and upload it here. So you will select create a new VoiceThread, add media, go to your computer, select whatever it is that you want to upload, and you will see that there's the option for a title. So I'm just going to put test, and there's an option for a description. I'm just going to put test here. Now I'm also going to reduce the size of my screen so you can see all of it. You have other options. You have playback options where you can enable threaded commenting. So that is absolutely necessary for you to click on that because everybody else needs to be able to comment on your posting. So you have other options of the microphone, etc. Just go through it, and once you have decided whatever options you want, you have to go down and click save. So once you click save, it will be saved to the VoiceThread. In order for everyone else in the course to be able to view it, you absolutely need to share and return to course. But before that, I need to show you how you can operate this and post your comments. So let us first actually share this so it becomes visible. So now this is visible for everybody in the class. When you click on the play button, you'll be able to see the voice threads of your different groups. So this is the one I uploaded. In order to make your comments, and you're required to make comments in at least 2 formats, one of which needs to be a video comment. So you will just click on this little plus icon here, and as you can see, you have a bunch of options as to how to post your comment. This here is a video comment that you will post. This is an audio comment, and this of course I don't think you will need. This is text comment, etc. So this is how you will, comment to your peers different VoiceThread postings, and once you've done that, you would have completed the assignment. So I hope that this was clear to you as to how you're going to complete this assignment. Of course, if you have any questions or concerns, you know where to find me. So I'm looking forward to some stellar presentations from all of you, and more importantly, some robust debate on technology versus pedagogy.